In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders on Salesforce. Let's start by opening Salesforce and making sure you're in the Lightning experience. From your main workspace, look toward the top right and open Settings. This takes you into the place where you can control how different parts of Salesforce behave and where you can create the kind of reminder we want. Inside Settings, open Advanced Setup. You'll see a search bar along the left. Type Task to quickly find the area we need. Tasks are Salesforce's built-in to-dos, and they're the best way to attach a reminder to your work, so it's tracked on the right record and shows up in your activity timeline. Select tasks from the results. Here, choose New Task. Think of this as creating a to-do with a built-in alarm. The key is to relate it to the right record so you'll always know the context when the reminder fires. You'll be prompted to select an object. Pick the type of record this task should be connected to, like a lead, contact, account, opportunity, or any other relevant object your team uses. Associating the task ensures the reminder shows up where your team expects to find it and helps with reporting later. Click. Next to continue. Now add your task details. Give the task a clear subject so you can recognize it at a glance. For example, follow-up call or send proposal. Set the due date and, if available, the time. This is important because the reminder will key off that schedule. Make sure the reminder option is turned on. Look for a checkbox or toggle called Reminder Set and confirm the reminder date and time match when you want to be notified. Assign the task to yourself or to a teammate if they're the one who should receive the reminder. Choose a priority and status to reflect urgency and progress, and add a brief description with any notes or a call script so you don't have to hunt for context later. Confirm the related to field points to the specific record you chose, and if needed, add a name or other lookup so the activity ties back to the right person. When everything looks good, click Save. Your reminder is now scheduled. At the time you set, Salesforce will alert the task owner according to your organization's notification settings. If you rely on pop-ups or desktop alerts, make sure your browser notifications are allowed. For best results, keep subjects consistent, choose realistic due times, and use the description for next steps so the reminder is actionable the moment it appears. That's it. Your Salesforce reminder is ready to keep you on track.